Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Andika Pratama from the Indonesian Technocrat University, Faculty of Economic and Business, Accounting Study Program. Here I will explain about the linear function and their application. Linear function and their application. Linear function are a fundamental mathematical concept with wide application in various fields. A linear function is defined as a relationship between two variables that results in a straight line when depicted on a graph. Introduction of linear function. The linear function can be expressed in the form of the equation y equals mx plus c, where m is the slope of the line and c is the intersection point with the y-axis. 1. Linear equation. Linear equations are a general form of linear function with y as the dependent variable and x as the independent variable. Properties of linear function. Linear function have this distinctive properties that make it easy to analyze and predict. These properties are related to the slope, cutoff point, and shape of the graph. 1. Straight graphic. The linear function produces a straight line when depicted on a graph with the shape determined by the slope and the intersection point. 2. Constant tilt. Linear functions have a constant slope, meaning that the rate of change y to x is always the same. 3. Y-axis cut point. The cut point with the y-axis c is always constant, representing the value of y when x is equal to 0. Linear function graph. Linear function graph. 1. Y-axis cut point. The point where the line intersects the y-axis. 2. Slope. The rate of change y to x. 3. Equation. Linear equation that model lines. Application of linear function in daily life. Linear functions are used in a variety of everyday life situations, from calculating mileage to calculating cost. Mileage. The linear function can be used to calculate the distance traveled at a constant speed. Cost. Linear function can be used to calculate total costs such as parking fee or telephone charge. Application of linear function in business. Linear functions are essential in business to analyze data, make predictions, and optimize decisions. Sales analytic linear function can be used to predict sales based on past trend. Cost planning. Linear functions help in calculating production cost and estimating profit. Challenges and opportunities for using linear function. Challenges include limitation in modeling complex relationships, while opportunities lie in the development of more sophisticated models. 1. Models limitation. Linear function may not always be appropriate for modeling non-linear relationships. 2. Data analysis. The use of linear function in data analysis requires a deep understanding of the data. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.